Hello, welcome back. So today we're going to draw a isometric racer, but we're going to start off. Our first step is using a ruler and some isometric paper, and you need to make sure the lines are going down at the start. Okay, if you see that there is a line that crosses, I am going to, and you have to draw over the lines. So I'm drawing mine in pen. I'd like you to draw yours in pencil. I would like you to draw a 2 by 2 crow's foot. So I'm doing it in black pen so you can see. So you can see that there is a line that goes up 2 or a centimetre, a line that goes across a centimetre, and in the dimensions of thickness back a centimetre, or 2 cubes. So that is called a crow's foot. That is how most isometric shapes start. So what I'm going to do is build onto that. I would like to make a rectangular cuboid representing the piece of wood that we have been using for our racer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add on to this one, so the one that's going straight up, and I'm going to go up by, so I'm going to go 9 centimeters, I think, this way, 9 centimeters going up. So that is including the one that I drew over before. I've got 9 centimeters going up. And then, so that's the height of my piece of wood. And then I'm going to go back. This is the width of the piece of wood. I am going to take that 10 centimeters. So that would be 20 little cubes. So I'm starting at the base of my cube. I'm using my ruler and I'm measuring from the 0 line to 10 centimeters there. I'm going to do a dot. Okay, obviously I'm doing this in black pen so you can see it. I tried to do it in pencil and no one could see it, so I'm doing it in black pen. And you can see there, that's going back. Now I'm going over the lines, so, and going backwards and including the part of my crow's foot. Now because that was 9 centimeters going up, at the end of my 10 centimeters, I'm going to do a 9 centimeter line going up over the existing isometric lines. And you can see if I do that and then I join up those two ends like that, you can see I've got a face of my piece of wood. Okay, and then the thickness, I'm going to keep that at 1 centimeter, the thickness, so 2 cubes going across. And then I'm going to go down to meet up with my original part of my crow's foot. And then I'm going to go way back to the back of my rectangle here, and I'm going to go back 2 cubes or 1 centimeter going up, going across the lines, or with the lines, I should say. We don't cross the lines. And then you can see there is my original piece of wood. Now, last lesson you made a template and started cutting out the template. So what you can do is you can try to draw your template or your shape along here. So for instance, if you were doing a car shape, I'm using pencil at the moment. I should do it in pen. I might have the front of my car. I might be just drawing the shape of my vehicle up here, and then this could be the back of my car. Okay, so that's where you put your design. Okay, you can see I've tried to stay with the lines, and then you might decide that You have a window. So I might decide that my window is going to be here. Okay, thinking about what you have designed. Okay, so the next thing you do is you draw on the face, the shape of your template. Now, to make it isometric, what we're going to do is we're going to imagine that this line here is connecting to this. So everywhere where there is a corner, you can go back 1 centimetre. There is a corner, I can go back 1 centimetre. There's a corner, I can go back 1 centimetre. And there's a corner, go back 1 centimetre. And then you see, if you connect those together, you start looking at like a 3-dimensional shape. So because I've done this in pen, I can't rub out these lines here, but you could rub out these lines. Okay, and then you can imagine that here you might have 1 wheel drilled and 1 wheel drilled. And then what you would do is you would draw a circle to make your wheels like this, and imagine that you'd have another wheel here like this, and then you've got your where it's drilled in the axes. Now you know that the MDF wheels that we have are about 1/2 mil, so what you can do is you could draw a 5 mil or 1/2 centimetre thickness for those wheels. Okay, and then you can see it starts coming off like a 3-dimensional shape. So I would like you to try to draw your isometric design. Okay, so I'm going to say isometric design. Now, as you've got your piece of wood already cut out, you can have it in front of you. You can use that to help guide your drawing. Okay, thank you very much.